Downsizing a long-time home is two problems wearing one coat. The first one is emotional, and nobody can do it for you. The second one is arithmetic. A 4-bedroom house holds several times what a 2-bedroom apartment holds. And until somebody works out how much more, every conversation about the china cabinet is a conversation about feelings with no facts in it. This binder does the arithmetic. It starts with a size guide, 41 kinds of household item, a book carton, a wardrobe carton, a dish barrel, a 3-seat sofa, a china cabinet, an upright piano, each carrying a cubic foot and a weight estimate. You pick the closest one and give a quantity. You will never measure a sofa, and you will never guess. Then you walk the house, one room at a time. One line per thing, or per group of like things. For each one you say what happens to it, take it, gift it, sell it, donate it, let it go, or honestly undecided. The volume adds itself up as you decide, and a flag column tells you what each line still needs, including the quiet failure that puts things on the truck with nowhere to go. Here's the question the whole move turns on. Put in the square footage of each room in the new home, and the binder works out roughly what it can hold, then totals everything you have assigned to it. Every room reads fits, tight, or over, with the exact cubic feet over or under. When the living room reads 109%, that is not an opinion about the china cabinet. It is a fact about the living room, and facts are much easier to disagree with kindly. Movers charge for space on a local move and weight on an interstate one. Both follow from volume, which is the part families rarely connect to the sorting. Set your rate, and the binder prices the move off what you are actually taking, and shows you the figure that changes how sorting feels, what every 100 cubic feet you release saves. On most moves, deciding not to take something is worth more than selling it. Type your move date into one cell, and 42 tasks lay themselves out behind it, with real due dates and an overdue flag. Not generic advice, the things families actually miss. The certificate of insurance the new building wants before a truck can unload, the pharmacy transfer that takes days, not minutes, and then 38 organizations that need the new address spread across 6 phases, because a Medicare service area question and a newspaper cancellation are not the same errand. All of it lands on one screen. The countdown, every room's fit, what is leaving and what it is worth, the estimated cost, and what is already late. Nothing to fill in. It calculates from the tabs you filled. Hand it to a sibling in another state, and everyone is working from the same picture instead of the same argument. And it is a file you own. No login, no subscription, no account to lose. It records whether you notified someone, never the account number, because a downsizing binder gets emailed to family and left on a kitchen table. 12 tabs, 3 guides, Excel or Google Sheets. Instant download. That is Ardent Workshop. Structure you keep for the one move nobody does twice.